Most content creators have great ideas, but no structured way to turn them into a production plan. They waste hours figuring out what to film, what it will cost, and what to do first, jumping between Google Docs, Note apps, and spreadsheets. Hi, my name is Tobichukwu. I am an MBA student based in North Carolina. This project is my submission for the AI Builder Challenge with IBM Bob, the July track, Reimagine Creative Industries with AI. This is a Storyboard and Budget Copilot, an AI tool built on IBM Granite that turns a rough idea into a full production plan in seconds. On this main page, the creator enters a project idea and fills out all other details. I will simply use a beginner running tutorial for busy students. When I click Generate Plan, the front end sends this data to the FastAPI backend, which hits 4 FastAPI endpoints: the Storyboard API, the Checklist API, the Budget API, and the Refine API. Each endpoint calls IBM Granite via watsonx.ai, and we get the AI output with a robust JSON parser that handles the usual model queries, the extra text, code referencing, and formatting issues. In a few seconds, IBM Granite generates a full scene-by-scene storyboard. Each scene has a title, descriptions, suggested visuals, and key talking points. From the storyboard, I can generate a production checklist organized into pre-production, production, and post-production phases. And also from the storyboard, I can generate a categorized budget estimate with low and high cost ranges. If the creator wants to adjust the plan, they can use the refine panel to change the tone, the length, or budget profile and regenerate. Every output, both the storyboard, the checklist, and the budget, can be copied to the clipboard or downloaded as a JSON, so they can move it into their own tools or integrate it with future workflows. This storyboard and budget copilot was built with IBM Granite, FastAPI, and React. I built it on the VS Code with IBM Bob as a development partner, and Bob helped me redesign and plan the API design and project structure I originally created. He also helped me to generate and refine the FastAPI endpoint code. He helped to design the React plan page component and hook it up to the backend. He also helped me to debug issues with Granite configuration and JSON parsing. You can see more details in the README on my GitHub repo. Thank you for watching.